tell you a little bit about the reason behind the infighting, and we have some breaking inputs coming in as well. So we're given to understand that the crucial meeting that we were just talking about with Mr. Surjewala has concluded. Charanjit Singh Channi, Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa were present in the meeting along with Mr. Randeep Surjewala, and that meeting has just concluded. Earlier, we also told you that the High Command has sent out a message that those who are upset with the party's decision of maintaining status quo would eventually be convinced. So as far as dissenters are concerned, the High Command feels that they will be convinced and they are not going to change their decision. Mr. Bading will continue to be the Congress president in the state of Punjab. And that message perhaps has also been conveyed today face-to-face directly to both Mr. Channi and Mr. Randhawa as well. Their meeting with Mr. Surjewala has just ended. So the crisis continues. Many in the Congress party believe that the High Command's decision is right. They stand by it. Those in the Channi camp are upset. Let me go across to Niyamika for more on this. Niyamika, what are you picking up about this meeting?
Well, yes, both the leaders, Charanjit Singh Channi as well as Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, have reached Indira Bhavan to meet the party's General Secretary organization, Mr. K.C. Venugopal, as these talks are going to be held regarding the ongoing rift within the Congress party, within the Punjab state unit, as we have seen that how when the High Command had taken a decision that there will be no change in the state leadership, there was a kind of the rebellion which was being shown by Mr. Charanjit Singh Channi as he held a separate meeting there in Chandigarh, as he has also refused to meet Mr. Bhupesh Baghel when he was on a 5-day tour to Chandigarh. And now the report is being submitted by Mr. Bhupesh Baghel to the party High Command regarding this ongoing rift within the Punjab state unit. And now it is the responsibility which is being given to Mr. K.C. Venugopal to speak to these disgruntled leaders there and also to sort things out, because the party leadership is not in a mood to make any further changes in the state leadership ahead of the assembly elections. It is also being informed by the sources within. The report has also mentioned it very clearly that if any further changes will be made in the PCC president post, then it can be harmful for the Congress party in view of the upcoming elections.
Absolutely. So
in
the
fact,
High Command
the
believes, and the report says as well, that any more changes could actually weaken the organization. So the High Command does not want to take any chances. And Mr. Channi is clearly upset with that. Niyamika, stay on with us. Now, let's take a look at the reasons why the Channi camp and Mr. Charanjit Singh Channi, the former Chief Minister of Punjab himself, is upset with the High Command. Number one, so Mr. Channi was vying for the post of the Punjab Congress Chief. Number two, no leadership change in Congress state unit has sent out a message that the Congress party, the High Command, does not want to make any changes. Number three, Amrinder Singh Raja Bading will continue to be the Congress chief in the state of Punjab. And Mr. Channi was made the chief of the Congress campaign. So Congress campaign panel will be headed by Mr. Channi. As far as the state unit is concerned, that will be headed by Mr. Bading. This is not acceptable to Channi camp as per reports. We have a reaction also coming in from Congress MP Akhilesh Prasad saying that everyone should accept party High Command's decision. Listen in.
नहीं, अब बिल्कुल सही नहीं है। आला कमान के फैसला को सभी को मानना चाहिए और